I was watching them on the film I made yesterday. I sent it down to broken down through the picture system we've got. And just spotted a little thing of what they want. Just wanted to change it. How do?
I'm glad we started letting you come on.
Well, it's an interesting part of it as well.
Oh,
I mean, from when I was here at 2 o'clock yesterday, this has changed so much already.
Yeah.
I mean, there was only a little bit of it that looked sort of like this grey, sort of like looking a bit flat. Most of it was like that.
Yeah.
It just goes to show you, yeah, we're trying to gauge how long it might have been, but it's not too much to got it to this already.
The first little foundation's going in over there.
Yes. And your little spray mark, is it? Yeah. Good stuff. Not falling asleep.
Because he has to watch out the back.
Oh, right, yeah, because he's he's sort of like half driving a little bit, watching the important end.
I'm quite a keen footballer myself.
Oh, good. So you're in a team already or anything?
I used to play for a team called Grappenor Village, semi-pro team. I relish the opportunity to score some goals against that team.
Some stuff then, yeah?
Yeah. But still, nothing beats the feeling of scoring a winning goal.
No.
Except one of the best feelings I've ever experienced was started off this charity group called the North Manchester Football Academy.
Okay. Yeah.
In fact, sorry, the South Manchester Football Academy, and we had young lads from schools.